Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow permissions on Mac. First, I will start with apps permissions, and then I will end with files and folders permission. Okay, for apps, click on this Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security. And from this page, you can manage all permissions possible on your Mac. For example, for the calendar, click on it. There is no app to give permissions to. For example, for files and folders, click on the app that you want to allow. And from here, you can toggle this option to give FileZilla, for example, permissions for desktop folder and so on. For example, for the Final Cut Pro and so on. For example, for the accessibility, you can give or you can allow applications like Zoom to control your computer. For example, for camera, you can allow applications like Google Chrome to access your camera and so on. There are multiple things that you can allow permissions to. For example, the camera, the microphone, the remote desktop, the Apple Intelligent, for example, you can allow accessories to connect every time, always, and so on. And you can also allow applications to be installed from the App Store and also from known developers. There are multiple, all the app permissions can be are accessible from here. Now to allow permissions for files and folders, just open the Finder app like this and locate the file or the folder that you want to give access to. Select it like this and then click on it using the right button of your mouse like this and select Get Info. A new window will pop up and here scroll down to Sharing and Permissions. And here you will see this little log. Click on it. Finders wants to change permissions on this file. Enter your password to allow this and click on OK. And just like this video, or now you are allowed permissions or sharing and permissions for this specific video. Same thing you can be done for folders. And this is how to allow permissions on Mac for both apps and files and folders. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.